Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace spark plugs on BMW X5 3-liter petrol. Start by disconnecting the ignition coil's electrical connectors. This is how it works. You lift up the clip and the connector should pop out. Take out the ignition coils. Some of them might be stuck. You can use a prying tool to take them out. Now get a spark plug socket and break them loose. After that, you can unscrew all of them by hand. Install everything back in reverse order and tighten up the spark plugs to 30 Nm or 22 foot-pounds.